Welcome all. I would be very grateful to be with you. As I have mentioned the two parts in the earlier part, and today I would like to go with another two words which we often do mistake. So among them, the first one, adjective ending in ly. Before we are going to know about it, we must know the difference between the adverb and the adjective. So let me explain what is the difference between the adjective and adverb. What can you remember about the difference between the adjective and adverb? Just I would like to provide a quick reminder. An adjective describes either a noun or pronoun. Example, that boy is so loud. And generally the next one, adverb. So an adverb describes a verb or anything apart from a noun or pronoun. We must know the difference between. See that. Here in the first example, the boy is so loud, and by using an adverb, that boy speaks so loudly. Here I use two, the same one, loud and loudly. So here loud is an adjective, whereas loudly it's an adverb. But here the problem lies, a word which ended with ly, most of the words comes under the adverb. But some words which has been considered as an adjective, when we come to use of those adjectives, we often do mistake. To prevent it, to avoid such a mistakes, you should know this. As we know that an adverb is the one of the important parts of speech that describes and modifies, or it provides more information about the verb in a sentence. An adverb can also be used by modifying or a quality or adjective. In another way, easily we can say many adverbs in English language end with the suffix ly. Since this is a quick and easy way to turn an adjective into an adverb, but there is a problem. The ly suffix is also an excellent way to describe how something or how often something is done, while not like a hard and past rule. So there are certainly many exceptions starting ly. Generally, a word which is generally ended with ly, as we know, just we come to a conclusion that's an adverb. But some adjectives can be used even by using suffix ly. So what kind of adjectives can be used like that? And if we use an adjective and as in the place of adverb, or in the place of adverb if we use an adjective, what kind of problems that we are going to face? Okay, let us see this example. Here the example was given, she smiled friendly, and the next example, she smiled in a friendly way. So in the first example, smiled friendly, and the second example, smile in a friendly way. So friendly, the same word was used with the suffixes ly, but the first one was incorrect and second was is correct one. Why? See here, bottom of it the description was given there. Here the error lies in using an adjective instead of an adverb. We use adverb to modify the verb. Generally, we can say that adverb is nothing but friend of verb. So most adverbs, as I mentioned in the earlier part, most of the adverbs end in ly. So there are also a few adjectives that end in ly. Example like costly, friendly, lively, likely, lonely, lovely, silly, ugly. So there are no adverbs costly, these words like friendly. So we have to use them. We have to use them as an adjective. So in the first one, that is why in the first sentence friendly is the wrong one. It is to be used like in a friendly way. In a friendly way. Say in the next example, he gave a silly laugh. He laughed silly. That's a wrong sentence because silly is it's not an adjective. And silly is a adjective. So adjective generally speaks about the subject. That means either noun or pronoun. So it is to be shown with one of the determiners like to differentiate or to describe in a proper way. So that is what here a determiner was used. He gave a silly laugh. He gave a silly laugh. So this is about the adjective and in ly. And the next one, let me go forward, ago and before. So before going to know it, even this also, I would like to provide the definitions of ago and before. You can see here the definitions, bottom of it say ago. So ago is used to count back from the present. So from the present moment to back side. So up to a certain moment, it is used with the past tense, nothing but past time. And a time with the past time expression, we use ago. 10 years ago, 2 years ago, 1 week ago, just like this. Whereas before is used when you date back, before 2 days, before 2 hours, like when you date back from any point of time which you made specific. So this is we should know the difference between ago and before. So first example is father died 3 years before. 3 years before means here by using before, it is what is the meaning of it? You date back from the point of time. But is it correct 3 years? 3 years actually we use, actually this is the past time. We use this to count back from the present like a period part. So we can say, so instead of before we need to use ago. So the correct answer, his father died 3 years ago. Suppose his father died 10 minutes ago. Can we say 10 minutes ago? Here we should not say, and 10 minutes before we should say. So that is the difference between the uses of ago and before. Thanks for watching. Do like, share, subscribe my channel for go ahead.